Welcome to Is Ledger Nano X Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the product and related resources are in the description below. The Ledger Nano X is one of the most popular hardware wallets in the crypto space, known for its security and convenience. Designed for both beginners and experienced users, it offers top-tier protection for your digital assets and is perfect for anyone looking to securely store a variety of cryptocurrencies. The Ledger Nano X supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, and many ERC20 tokens. It's a hardware wallet, meaning your private keys are stored offline, making it immune to online hacks. With the Bluetooth feature, the Nano X allows you to manage your crypto assets via the Ledger Live app on your smartphone or computer, providing flexibility while ensuring top security. In terms of security, the Ledger Nano X is one of the best in the market. It features a Secure Element SE chip, which is commonly used in credit cards and passports, providing military-grade encryption to protect your keys. It also uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, and PIN protection, so even if someone gains access to your device, they would not be able to access your funds without the PIN and backup phrase. The Ledger Nano X is designed for users who need a portable solution without compromising security. It's compact, yet it can store up to 100 cryptocurrency apps simultaneously, making it perfect for those who manage multiple digital assets. The device is easy to use, with a simple interface and a screen for transaction verification, ensuring you always know what's happening with your assets. In conclusion, the Ledger Nano X offers robust security, easy-to-use features, and excellent portability, making it an ideal choice for anyone serious about cryptocurrency storage. If you value security and control over your private keys, this wallet is a fantastic option. For more details, check out the links in the description below.